So the importance of vaccination is not just for prevention of death. We've been lucky. This past year, we were extremely worried that as kids transmit every virus, you all know about kids just exchanging viruses month to month. We expected COVID would be the same, but we've seen a distinctly different pattern in children, which is good. We've been able to keep our children safe by fairly easy to use mitigation measures. I know there's a lot of conversation about masking in the chat, but that's one of them and it's worked. However, we've now seen a higher proportion of positive cases occur in children. And we're starting to see more children hospitalized, so coming into the hospital and into the ICU with COVID. Vaccinations can help prevent infection in general. It can help prevent spread. We saw some decrease in that prevention with Delta, and it certainly prevents kids coming into the hospital with the infection. So getting an infection that's severe enough that you need to come into the hospital. Long term, we also know that vaccinations prevent sort of that household spread. So if children remain unvaccinated and they're the only group that still have not received vaccines, and this virus mutates just enough to start to impact those that are unvaccinated, that can become that small group of rapid spread, and it can spread it to other more vulnerable people, such as older adults or those with immune systems that are not very strong. So I think there are two ways to look at this. Vaccinations can protect the child, so the individual child, from having a severe infection. We do see long-term COVID and also hospitalizations in children. And also there's the public health, that's the second one, the public health effort here, where it just helps to reduce the rates of COVID in the community. COVID will burn out. We've seen that happen with the peaks, so the spike peaks in the valleys. So we know that it will spike up and then burn out, but we really don't want to have our children be the only unvaccinated group that are just waiting for the next variant.